Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, iPod adapter, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.